Jerry here again with you, Country Folks 100. Today we're out here hooking up one of our boats again. We're fixing to go do a little bit of bass fishing on the river. Our idea at first is to go down to where a creek empties into the river and kind of fish around there. The water's falling. It should be pretty good, we're hoping. So y'all come on with us and we'll see if we can find some fish this morning. Stay tuned. Yeah, there's one right out here. I just flat out missed it. That's one thing I like about brim fishing is you can, if you catch one in a little spot. Oh man, there he is. Well, hey, what was I talking about? Brim fishing? Man, he was right there on it, wasn't he? Little fella. I'll take it. First one of the day. Yep. That guy. All right. Yeah, hey, hooked good and everything. This is right on that little sandy bank area. Nice little bass, kind of like the other one. He about swallowed it. Right up, right in the tongue. There it goes. Oh, he came off. He was tiny though. He was swimming. You saw him, didn't you? Did you see how big he was? Yeah, he had it. He was. I felt it bump. I was like, feels like I still got something. And then it looked like it was kind of swimming off that way. I said, oh, he's on there. Man, what is it about me and catching small fish? Alright, y'all. Just got a couple little fish today. It was a little bit tough fishing out there. But, you know, it was a good time. You know, we ran around a little bit. I think we ran out of gas right there towards the end. I'm hoping that's all it is that we ran out of gas because, you know, we know how to fix that. But we're going to fill it up here in a little bit and hopefully that's all it is because it went dead on us a couple times. So we'll get that looked at here before too long, and we'll see y'all again next time. Y'all remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see y'all again next time. Bye.